We'd like to invite our honorary chief guest, Mr. Shubham Dumbe, who has achieved significant goals in the field of computer science and is globally recognized for training and certifications from top corporations and has also 3+ years of experience in relationship building, formulating strategies, business development, and creative thinking. And he has also worked for many offline events and workshops for many prestigious institutes, including our college, IIT Bombay, VJTI, KJ Somaya, and many more. And he also is the founder of Delta the Innovators.
Thank you. And it is really a pleasure to be here today with such a great, energetic crowd. I see 125 participants at this point. So when HOD ma'am approached me for this particular event, Tech Sparkle, I was really happy to see such young, energetic people, students and friends working out for various competitions. I went through some of your competitions like the coding competitions and all, and I'm really happy to see that you all enthusiastically participated even during this COVID times. And I really appreciate your effort for that. So today we'll be focusing on how LinkedIn plays a very important role in careers, probably how we build careers and reaching out to correct professionals. So this is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional platform. You all are mostly familiar with Facebook, but LinkedIn, you can just call it like a professional Facebook, where you probably can list out all your projects, all your details, whatever professional experiences you have got, everything can be listed here well. And also relevant links to that particular reference, what you are providing there, can be provided here. Apart from that, licenses and certifications. I hope that you all have heard this word LinkedIn, but you all have never used it like a pure tool, like how we can get our careers alighted to this. So on LinkedIn, I would suggest you all to start building your profiles from this point itself, because whatever projects you all do, whatever licenses and certifications you all achieve, are necessary to be reflected in a professional manner. And LinkedIn will give you that platform by which you all can portray it in the right manner. Apart from that, if you have got any skills and endorsements, like if you're good with the Microsoft presentations, or you could say management skill, any operation skill, you can just get endorsed by your colleagues with whom you have worked. And recommendations play an important role here, because with whomever you have worked with till date would give you some kind of endorsement, and that endorsement helps you to build a career in that particular direction. So in my case, it was into careers and training. So my colleagues who were like working with me have given me various recommendations regarding the same. And even I can give recommendations to some creative people, some specialists in cybersecurity and all, and help them excel their careers. So one platform which I wanted to highlight today was LinkedIn. And it is because LinkedIn will play a very important role in all your you could say professional journey, because it will help you to find jobs, as in you have to utilize it very smartly. It will help you to find jobs, it will help you to go for entrepreneurship opportunities. In my case, it was also entrepreneurship, because I started up with my venture Delta the Innovators in my third year of engineering. So at that time, it was like just we started off, and we made 3 international Guinness World Records with IIT Bombay. Our main motives were simple: we had to focus on innovation, education and technology. And with that aim, we worked on with VJTI, Vijayamata Technological Institute in Matunga, then IIT Bombay again for the Guinness World Records, and globally we conduct a lot of workshops, webinars and all. So this space is something which we understood that yes, this is our domain and where we can particularly focus on, because education, innovation and technology is something that today people and the world is actually moving towards. And so during this pandemic times, of course everyone faced a setback because of pandemic, they were not able to move out and all. But we tried with some new experimentation. At this point, we got many experts and conducted wonderful webinars on either graphology, how can handwriting change your life, effective communication, how to avoid common mistakes in writing resume, CVs. If we go to some technical things, it's like bot development with virtual agents and all. So I would also like to suggest you all guys, even if this pandemic has brought us behind in some time, we still have to move ahead by making our way out of it. So this was how we started, even after facing the setback. And I've also tried some certifications in this times. Like we went on with Apple Teacher and Microsoft Innovative Educator. Yeah, so there are many your things that are available by various corporates, that many corporates have given us humongous amount of, you could say, training certifications in global programs. You all can just refer to this profile and look for the links on the Google likewise, so that you can go for such certification. So I in this pandemic times, I tried with Apple, Dell, Microsoft, and also because of this intensive learning, it really helped me to take informed decisions, take analytical decisions about my company. And today we are really happy to say that we have already entered the market at such a young age. And because of support like Anita ma'am and other people from computer department, RJ College, and everyone, it is like possible for us to reach out to more and more people, create an impact for the society, and help everyone build a wonderful future for the world. So this was about how you have to probably be digitally present, because today no one is just going to take your CV and read it like a printed copy. Everyone wants a digital CV which can be either scanned by the ATS, the applicant tracking system, or else they want to have a look at your LinkedIn profile. So your LinkedIn profile plays a very important role here. So I would suggest you all to start building your LinkedIn profile from this point itself, because this will help you to garner what exact roles you are looking for, how exactly you have worked till date. You have to specify it here, because there is a keyword algorithm that works at the back end, and list down all the achievements with the credible credentials, so that it looks authentic, and of course whatever you have done gets reflected from your experience. So that's one about LinkedIn. And one important thing that I would like to just highlight here is your CV. CV plays a very important role, but in CV also we have to be very specific to the roles that we are looking for. So I would not suggest you to put any photographs in the CV, because ATS systems which work at the backend, they don't have the capabilities to scan out the photographs, and because of that, many CVs get rejected. So if you all are applying for jobs, you all are applying for internships, I would suggest you to keep a very simple CV. You can refer to my CV for the pattern. This is one example. You can also refer to some other templates, but try to keep it simple, try to keep it easily readable, try to keep it more precise, to the point, to the roles that you are actually applying for. So in my case, it was project development, UI, marketing, editing, and technical solutions. So whatever I have done till now is listed here. Similarly, when y'all are preparing a CV, please keep in mind that you have to highlight your professional experience. In case if you are a fresher, you have to highlight your project experience or the exposure, some kind of exhibitions or seminars, workshops that you have attended, because that is very important when you quantify things. In here, for example, in my case, I have helped 30 people to probably transit into their careers, whatever they dreamt of. So that happened just because of whatever experiences I got in my times. Similarly, you have to quantify how many people have you worked with, how you have impacted the society, and how exactly you are beneficial for the organization which you are willing to join. So this is how, in simple manner, you have to precisely present everything. And duration matters a lot, location matters a lot, name of the company matters a lot, and the designation matters a lot. Also, if possible, there's a new thing that can be added in the CVs these days, is like you can highlight the crux of the particular organization that you worked with, so that the reader or the analyzer who is going to analyze your CV, like the HR personnel or the recruitment specialist, will get to know what exact experiences you have. And try your hands on multiple technologies, try your hands on various technologies, like we have AWS, Amazon AWS at this point, Google Cloud, and also we have Microsoft Azure. Try all these three, because cloud computing has a good future ahead. Also artificial intelligence, machine learning, augmented reality, etc., are gaining a lot of acceleration these days. So try your hands on all these technologies, look to that where you fit in, because everything cannot be done by one person. So you will have to find out your domain, what exactly you are made for. In my case, it is development and software development, application development, and training and development. In your case, what it is, you have to find it by trying out different experiences. Maybe some are good with business development, like marketing, some are good with sales, some are good with development, technical development, some are good with web development, some can be good with like people's PR person and all. So look at your domain, try different experiences, conduct various workshops if possible, or attend various good events, just like one we are attending now, and talk to good people, be in a good company, build your CV, and go ahead. With that message, I would like to stop here now. And I would also like to thank Ram Niranjan Jhunjhunwala College. Being an alumni, it's really a pleasure to talk to all of you, as somewhere or the other, y'all are the next generations. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Anita ma'am. Thank you, Computer Science Department, for allowing me to share my experience in careers, and to help you all. With this, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shubham Dubre, sir, for
Yeah.
inspiring students to explore the world of technologies and the possibilities it can unlock for them.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to Mr. Shubham Dumre for presiding over this colorful festivity. Thank you, dear. We are greatly encouraged by your gracious presence and immensely benefited by your inspiring address. The heartful thanks to Himanshu sir and Usha madam. It is your vision and leadership that has brought everything possible on this campus. Indeed, this event helps students to get into self-introspection as well as their achievements. This encourages students to participate in various events and see their blossom into an individual.
I would like to thank Anita ma'am for her kind words.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Shubham.
Yeah, on this note, I would just like to say something to conclude
Yes,
the
yes.
program. Yeah.
Yes.
So there are some beautiful lines in a poetry that I had read somewhere. So I'll just go with that before we conclude. So it is, हर लम्हा नई उम्मीद, हर संबंध एक नई चुनौती, हर इम्तिहान एक नया सबक, हर राज एक नई पहेली, हर बंधन एक नया जश्न, हर दिन एक नई जीत, हर कोशिश एक नई पहल और हर सफर एक नया रिश्ता. इन्हीं खूबसूरत लम्हों को, पंख लगे सपनों को हमने टेक्स्ट स्पार्कल के जरिए से सबके सामने पेश किया और इसीलिए मैं आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shubham, so
Mr.
much.
Shubham Dumre opened in the chat.
And anchors, you all did a wonderful job because I used to host our reflections, Pehchan, and also it was really a fantastic experience being on this side, not
Yeah.
on the anchoring side this time. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Shubham, for joining today, for your time.
Most welcome, ma'am. Most welcome.
We'll meet you soon.
Sure, ma'am.